guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by, thanks so much for clicking on this video. Today I want to show you guys some really quick, simple, natural hairstyles that you guys can achieve in literally a minute. Si chica, uno, uno. Gonna be showing you guys 5 styles that you can achieve real quick and real easy. So I want you guys to hit that thumbs up button if you thought this video was awesome. And if you guys enjoy my content, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you go. Without further ado, let's just get right into this video.
So before I begin, guys, let me say these styles can be done on any length hair, any type hair. As long as your hair is natural, they'll look just fine. So don't be so bent on your hair being all long. It doesn't have to be. For the first style, I'm going to just separate the back section of my hair. This is going to be a section style in terms of I wanted a updo in the mix, so this is going to be an updo style. I'm going to secure the back of my hair and just twist that all the way down to the ends. Once I'm done, I'm going to separate the section in the middle from the part in the front so that I can have a sectioned kind of thing going on, and then I'm going to secure the hair in the back with the section in the middle and also twist that down to the ends as well. Once I'm done twisting, I'm just going to secure it to the back with some hairpins, and it's going to give me kind of like a pompadour type look. And I'm gonna work on the bangs now by just braiding the ends of the bangs and tucking it under, basically just securing it into place with some hairpins. And this is the finished look. Love this style. It is so retro, very unique, and definitely an updo type of look. Something that you can rock to a formal event. So there you go, a nice simple updo. For this next style, I wanted to do something similar to the first style, so it's really similar, except for now I'm just going to do a bun and a bang. So for the second style, I'm securing my hair up into a top knot bun, and this can be as tight or as loose as you want, doesn't really matter. But after making my top knot bun and securing that into place with some elastic, I'm going to work on the bang the same way, braiding the ends and just tucking it under. So after securing it with some hairpins, this is how it looks. But it's still retro, but it's more of a modern chic kind of hairstyle. So I really love this one as well. Now for my third style, I wanted buns. I'm obsessed with buns, guys. So I separated my hair into 2 sections. I'm going to take the back and just begin to kind of wrap it going upwards. It's going to be kind of like a flat twist kind of motion, just so the back looks a little bit different from the front. When I get to the front, I'm going to secure the hair into a bun and just wrap that around. Basically 2 double buns, like 2 top knot buns, and the back is kind of twisted into a flat twist kind of motion. So it's basically just a bun. You know, instead of doing a regular bun with just like catching the hair up directly, I kind of flat twisted the back so that it looks a bit different and looks a bit more chic. So that's what we're working with for this style, and this one is also very super easy. So in the back, I'm taking out some pieces of hair just to give it a little bit more of a chic, girly look, and I'm also laying my edges. You know, you can't have buns without baby hairs, so I'm laying my edges. And yeah, this is the finished look. Definitely something fun, and this just screams summer, so I would definitely rock this to a really nice day at the beach or something. Now for my next style, this has got to be the easiest style of all the styles I'm going to show you. Detangled my hair, brush it back, and all I'm going to do is secure it into a high puff. You guys know from a high puff I don't use scrunchies, I use lace because it's easier to secure, and you can definitely style and fluff the hair the way you want. This style is like literally the easiest hairstyle ever, and it will always be my favorite, and it looks good on pretty much any length of natural hair. For my final style, I'm going to brush my hair going backwards just to make sure that I don't have any parts in the front. Then I'm going to go ahead and just separate a front section and just comb that out. I'm going to secure that top section into a top knot bun, of course, because you guys know I'm obsessed with buns right now. And after securing that into a top knot bun, this is going to obviously be a half up, half down type hairstyle. So I'm going to fix the back section of my hair by just detangling it a little bit. And of course, you can't have this style without having baby hairs in the front. So I'm just going to only a bit of baby hairs, and just like that, the style is complete. So guys, I really love these styles because they're so super easy and really convenient. So don't forget to go ahead and tell me in the comment section which style was your favorite. Was it number 1, number 2, 3, 4, or 5? Please tell me down below in the comments. I think number 5 was my favorite. I definitely like that one. Don't forget to follow me on my social media sites to keep up with me. I do post a little bit on my Snapchat, on my Instagram, so follow me there. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, mwah, stay naturally beautiful, girl. Bye.